Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Today we are going to start chapter 12 and the title of the chapter is Plant World. Means in this chapter we will read about the different types of plants. Very first beta, there is a fun time, seed germination. This you can do as an activity. What you should do, soak a few grams seeds in water. Keep them in wet cotton. Observe them for a few days and discuss the changes in class. Yes, children, this activity you will do. That you take green pulses and black chane also you can take and soak in the water. After that, means for one day you can soak it in the water, and next day you can take it out the water, and the pulses which you are having, that you can keep in the wet cloth, and after that next day that you keep remain for one day, or next day what you can see in the third step, the sprouts will come out itself, means the seed started germination. In this way only plant also grows. This is the process of growing the plant. So with this activity only, in the starting you will do activity, then you come to know how the plant grows. Okay, next we will start. In class 1 you learned some facts about plants. Depending on the size, plants are of different types. These are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Yes, in class 1 you learned the different types of plants, that there are different types of plants that depends upon the size. The size is also different, so we will study about these in the detail. Let's start with first of all trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick stem called a trunk. They also have branches and leaves. Peepal, neem and banyan are trees. Yes children, the big and strong plants, these are called the trees. These are having the thick stem. See, you can see the picture. The big plants, they are having the thick stem that is of brown color, and these are having the branches and leaves also. And there are some examples of trees. These are peepal, neem and banyan tree. So there are many more examples also. These are called the big plants. Next we will study about the plants with thin brown and woody stems. These are called the shrubs. And rose, cotton and hibiscus, these are the shrubs. Yes, you can see these three plants. This is cotton plant, this is rose plant, and this is called hibiscus plant. Now you see these are also having the stem, and this is woody stem. It is of brown color, but this is not as thick as like a tree, and this is very thin stem, and these type of plants are called shrubs. These are called the small plants also. And next is very small plants with soft and green stems are called herbs. Mint, coriander and grass are herbs. Yes, you see here, these are the pictures given here. This is mint, this is coriander and grass. These plants are very soft, and these are having the soft and green stem, and these are very small plant. These are called the herbs. Next, some plants have soft and weak stems. They are climbers and creepers. Yes, now we will study about the climbers and what are creepers. Climbers need support such as another plant of tree, a stick or a wall to stand straight. Grapevine and money plant are climbers. Yes, the plants, those are very weak. They cannot grow themselves. They need support to grow. If they will not get any support, then they will not be able to grow. So they need the support of stick, wall, or any straight strand. So these are called the climbers. You can see in the picture, this is the picture of money plant. The money plant in the pot, that one stick is there. With the help of stick, the plant is growing. Same way the grapevine, you can see the grapevine, it is also standing with the support. So this also moving with the support. They both are very soft and very weak plants. These are called the climbers. Next is creepers. Creepers grow along the ground. Watermelon and pumpkin plants are creepers. Yes, the plants which are growing along the ground, means inside the ground only, they are called the creepers. These are the examples of creepers, like pumpkin plant, creepers, and then potatoes, turnip, radish, carrot. These all are the examples of creepers. These all plants grow along the ground. Next, some plants grow only in water. They are called aquatic plants. Hydrilla and lotus are examples of aquatic plants. Yes, the plants which are growing inside the water, they are called the aquatic plants. Yes children, now it's your homework time. That revise up to here. Now we will meet in the next video. By that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.